Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Fauziana Masrurah. In this occasion, I would like to deliver my final project paper poster. The title of my final project is User-Friendly Information System Using Waterfall Method for Submission Student Activities in Politeknik Elektronika Negeri Surabaya. For easier to remember, I called my system to be e-submission. I choose my paper poster to be so blue because I think it's more represents of my campus, the one and only Politeknik Elektronika Negeri Surabaya. And then, I would like to explain the background why I choose this idea for my final project. The first reason is because I want to make a simple system that everyone can use and can be easier to understand by using internet technology. And then, I look around me as a student at Politeknik Elektronika Negeri Surabaya. There is no platform for submitting student activities. So, I have an idea to make a submitting student activities a platform to make it simple and faster than before. The platform and the system that I made is a website. So, let me get this straight. Students who want to submit activities proposal to campus will be submit with this website. The function of this system is not just about to submit proposal, but also in this website will be classified the incoming proposal into 3 categories. There are competition, community service, and the students. And the question is how I classified the incoming proposal to be that 3 categories. In this final project, I used 2 methods. The first one is the waterfall method, is for build a website system, include of design web, the program, and the maintenance of the system. The second is the FIDF method for data analysis. So with this method, I will be classified the incoming proposal into 3 categories. As we can see from this flow, there are some steps for this system. First, we have to register first to use this website. After we have an account, we can start to input or fill every requirement to submit activities proposal. The most important data input in the system are the description and the title of activities. So from these things, the system can process the data. The process to doing data input in FIDF method called pre-processing. There are tokenizing, stop removal, and filtering. After that, database checking by the keyword to classification incoming data, the data input of sentence will be converted into a number. If all that process finish comes out as a number, then it can into that 3 category. The next one is the website result. This is the view of homepage website, the first way to get into user page, verificator page, and the public page. In the user page, to be able to submit student activities, must be registered and have an account. If already have an account, we'll enter the user dashboard page. The user will enter the request requirements such as personal data in charge, description of activities, poster, and also the proposal. On the verifier page, there is no need to register, just log in directly and go to the dashboard page. And for the public page, will be show a poster and activities description when it's approved. The next one is the result and discussion. From this result, I collected the types of documents with each category. The first is for the competition category. For the characteristic of the competition category present in the following graph, it tends to increase. And in the student category, the result of each document in the student category tend to decrease after the FIDF calculation. For the community service, the graph result is fluctuative, up and down. So in my conclusion, from the result of the calculation of accuracy for every document category classification using the FIDF method, it has an accuracy rate of 56% with more than half of the test data correct according to the specific category. From a test of 5 to 30 keywords, there is a closeness of value that show a tendency to be in the same category. From the observation, the FIDF value for each keyword used for activities in the student category tends to decrease. For competition category, the FIDF value generated is increasing. For the community service, it tends to fluctuative. And the last website that helps in submitting student activities at Politeknik Elektronika Negeri Surabaya using waterfall and the FIDF method has been successfully created. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for listening and also the attention of my paper poster. I'm sorry for the shortcoming and wrong word I ended. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.